Good morning. Good morning, class. Am I audible?
Tunakusikia.
Yes. Welcome to this class. I'm going to be taking you through this unit. Today we are going to discuss about parts of sewing machines.
We can't see the screen yet.
Yes, I want to share.
Tunaiona sasa.
Yes. This semester, I expect total cooperation from you people so that you can be able to work well as we continue. Today, we are going to learn about parts of sewing machines and their functions. Can someone read for us the objectives of this class?
Definition of machine, state parts of sewing machine, functions of sewing machine.
Yes, that is what we are going to cover for the day. Who is going to give us the definition of a sewing machine? What is a sewing machine?
A sewing machine is a machine that is used to stitch together garments.
Yes. Next, we are going to look at the functions of sewing machines. There are different types of sewing machines, so the functions of different sewing machines, they differ from one machine to another. Can you name some examples of different sewing machines that we have for stitching clothes? One,
Embroidery machine.
yes, that is used for. What is the function of the embroidery machine?
To make decorations in terms of embroidery.
Yes, another example of a sewing machine type.
An overlocking machine.
Yes, how is it used?
It is used to finish, to neaten seams and finish garments.
Yes. Another person to name a different type of a sewing machine.
We
Then,
have zigzag machines.
yes, it is used for.
It is used to decorate fabrics,
Yes, those are more
especially those for
examples.
prints.
Yes, thank you for the sharing. Those are examples of sewing machines. So the functions of sewing machines, there is include making finishes that is used for maybe on overlock. It's also used for finishing. And then we have also a buttonhole machine that is used to make buttonhole stitches. Now, can you name some examples of parts of sewing machines?
Barrel swing.
Yes. And how is it? What is its function? Yes, what is the function of a balance wheel?
It is used to start and to stop a machine.
Yes, can another person just name one more?
Java spool pin.
Yes, what is this used for?
It is used to hold a thread, a machine thread.
Yes, as you are threading. Then we have also thread guide that is used to guide one as you are stitching, as you are threading the machine. We have the bobbin case, the bobbin that is used to hold the lower part of the machine thread. Then we have stitch length regulator that is used to regulate the stitches that you are going to use as you are stitching. Here we have some examples of functions of sewing machines parts. We have talked about the bobbin. We have talked about the bobbin case. Can someone read for us about the thread guide?
Pardon?
We are reading on thread guide. Can someone read for us the function of a thread guide?
A thread guide is used to control the direction of the thread. It also helps plenty of supply of thread.
Yes. Then we have a tension regulator. It is used to control the tightness or looseness of the upper thread to avoid the puckering problems. That is, you have to confirm that it's talking about the upper thread, not the lower thread. We also have examples of thread take up lever that is used in threading, and it is used to maintain the tension of the thread. Then we have the pressure bar lifter. It is used for raising and lowering the pressure foot. It is on this part around the machine. Sometimes it is around here. Then we are going to talk about the next one, stitch length regulator. Every machine has a regulator to be able to regulate the size of the stitches that one wants. That means that if you want to use machine stitches, you cannot use the bigger stitch length of the stitches. The length of the stitches, they have to be small, because the cloth that needs to be stitched, it needs to be tightly held. Can someone read for us the function of a balance wheel?
A balance wheel. The main function is to raise and lower the needle through the manual labor.
Yes. Then someone read for us slide plate, feed dog, and Emma, you can continue reading the slide plate, feed dog, and the needle clamp. Continue, please.
The slide plate, it is a rectangular shape that is situated beside the pressure foot. It helps the removal of the bobbin case without fitting the machine. Feed dog, it helps to pass the cloth through the machine in a forwarding direction during sewing. Needle and needle bar, its main function of the main function of the needle is to form the stitch during sewing of the clothing. The needle fits in the needle bar, which holds the needle with a small screw.
Yes. Thank you for this class. Can someone summarize for us what we've learned today?
Types of sewing machine.
Yes. And there?
Overlock machine,
Yes.
embroidery machine.
Yes, thank you.
You have also learned about parts of a sewing machine.
Yes, congratulations for listening to this class. Next week, I want the assignment that is written here above. It's reading that you explain the sewing machine faults and their remedies. I'm looking forward to seeing their responses. It's going to be part 1, so I'm looking forward to seeing it. Thank you for joining in my class. I'm looking forward to seeing you next time. And the next time we're meeting in an online, not in an online class, we're meeting in a classroom. See you.
See you.
Bye.
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 Nice.
Good night.
Akiingia kutusalimia aliyetuanzia na aishie TikTok.
Nyinyi mnalala saa ngapi?
Good night.